Education, since immemorial time, holds the promise of a better life for individuals, giving them tools and knowledge and skills to help them to take a better place in the society, and a better life also for the society, in order to give people the values and the narrative that can keep all the society in social cohesion. But now, from decades, we have digital disruption that have completely changed the paradigm of life on Earth, and we cannot see education like we were. So now we have to find what skills we need really, and in order to reshape education. Open science is the way to imagine science in a more openness way, where you can ask researchers from different disciplines and also the civil society to help to find the way. So we can imagine first, in order to have the list of the better skills we need now, to imagine a platform where each researcher can share their questions, their research and their results. So it would be the first step. For example, we have now the World Economic Forum that give a list, but we have also directors of movies like Le Film Demain, where they give other skills, and we have to crowdsourcing all those results and to find the best effective skills we have to find. So open science could do that. And the second step, we will have to find the way to teach these new skills, because now education, for example, does not take care of about teaching communication, collective intelligence. Not enough. Some try, but not enough. So we can imagine new ways of teaching. For example, one of my dreams would be to imagine a platform where you ask a question. For example, I have to deal with my orientation. I don't know where to go in life, and I don't know exactly who I am, not myself. And you will have a list of movies, extracts of movies like Star Wars or Harry Potter, or a film of French directors a long time ago. But you can find a solution that people have, so you can, like, going on the shoulders of giants, but at the level of the world, not only a community, not only a city, not only a nation, but the global society. So it would be one way to do that. Another tool for me that I really would like to test and to experiment is a new way of communication, going to the core of communication, that is emotion. You know the work of Paul Ekman. It's a researcher that finds that it exists 7 universal emotions, and if you do not have the knowledge and the skills to recognize the emotion with the people you are talking to, you miss lots of communication, and it would be really useful to just teach to each one, from kindergarten to adults, the way to know exactly all those emotions.